Azure DevOps Training by Vistasparks Solutions. Master Azure DevOps, CD, Agile Project Management, and Cloud Automation with our comprehensive Azure DevOps Training program. Learn how to plan, develop, build, test, deploy, and monitor applications efficiently using the powerful Azure DevOps Services platform. This hands-on training helps professionals and organizations streamline software delivery, automate deployments, manage source code repositories, implement continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, and improve collaboration across development and operations teams. Contact unmentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Mastering Azure DevOps requires a comprehensive understanding of its features and functionalities. To do this, one must be familiar with the various tools and technologies that it offers. This includes cloud-based services such as Azure Storage, Azure Virtual Machines, and Azure Active Directory. Additionally, there are several other tools and technologies that are integrated into Azure DevOps, including Visual Studio Team Services, Azure Pipelines, and Azure Boards. These tools enable developers to collaborate more effectively, automate tasks, and improve the overall quality of their software. Furthermore, Azure DevOps provides a range of features that support Agile Project Management methodologies, such as Scrum and Kanban. These features allow teams to work together more efficiently, prioritize tasks, and track progress. Moreover, Azure DevOps offers a robust set of security features to protect against cyber threats and data breaches. By mastering these features and functionalities, individuals can transform their software development processes and improve their productivity. Please provide a detailed description of the training program offered by this organization. The program should include all aspects of the training, including duration, cost, and any other relevant details. The training program is designed to equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge required to excel in high-growth fields such as cloud computing, DevOps engineering, and release management. The program includes both theoretical foundations and practical applications, ensuring students gain a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. The program consists of three main components. 1. Foundational knowledge. This component covers the essential concepts and principles of cloud computing, DevOps engineering, and release management. Students will learn about the key technologies, tools, and methodologies used in these fields. 2. Practical applications. This component focuses on hands-on experience with real-world projects and case studies. Students will work on actual problems and scenarios, applying their knowledge and skills to develop practical solutions. 3. Project-based learning. This component involves working on individual or group projects that allow students to apply their knowledge and skills in a real-world setting. Students can choose from a variety of project topics, selecting those that align with their interests and career goals. The program is delivered through a combination of online live classes and self-paced modules. Students can choose to attend live classes, which are conducted via video conferencing, or opt for self-paced modules, which allow them to complete coursework at their own pace. The duration of the program varies depending on the student's prior experience and learning style. However, most programs take approximately 6 months to complete. The cost of the program is competitive, with prices ranging from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on the specific package chosen. Additional costs may apply for certain services, such as certification fees or equipment requirements. Students who complete the program will receive a certificate of completion, demonstrating their mastery of the subject matter. Upon completing the program, students can expect to gain in-demand skills and knowledge that will enable them to secure high-paying jobs in cloud computing, DevOps engineering, and release management. Overall, the training program offers a unique blend of theoretical foundations, practical applications, and project-based learning, providing students with a comprehensive education in cloud computing, DevOps engineering, and release management. The corporate training programs offered by Vistasparks Solutions empower organizations to boost efficiency and streamline development, testing, and deployment cycles for faster and more reliable software releases. These programs equip teams to confidently manage complex infrastructure and enterprise-grade applications. The training is tailored to each organization's specific business needs and existing technology stack. This enables teams to work more efficiently and effectively, leading to improved productivity and better decision-making. By partnering with Vistasparks Solutions, organizations can ensure they stay ahead of the curve in terms of digital transformation. Expert instructors guide participants through the training process, providing hands-on training and support every step of the way. The training covers a wide range of topics, including project planning, coding, monitoring, and security. Organizations can benefit from flexible scheduling options, which allow them to easily fit training into their busy schedules. The training programs are also designed to be engaging, interactive, and relevant to the industry, ensuring that participants get the most out of their investment. By joining the community of DevOps professionals, organizations can gain access to a network of like-minded individuals who share their passion for innovation and excellence. Together, organizations can drive digital transformation forward and create a brighter future for themselves. The training programs are certified by industry experts, guaranteeing that participants receive the highest level of quality and assurance. Organizations can trust that they are getting the best possible training and support to help them achieve their goals. Trainers have extensive experience working with clients across various industries, providing them with the expertise and guidance needed to overcome challenges and achieve success. By partnering with Vistasparks Solutions, organizations can gain access to cutting-edge technologies and methodologies, enabling them to stay ahead of the competition and drive growth. The training programs cover everything from project planning and coding to monitoring and security, providing participants with a comprehensive understanding of the entire DevOps lifecycle. By investing in these programs, organizations can enhance their team's skills and knowledge, leading to increased competitiveness and better outcomes. The training programs are designed to be flexible and accommodating, allowing participants to customize their learning experience to suit their needs. Organizations can rest assured that they are getting the expertise and resources they need to succeed in today's fast-paced digital landscape. The benefits of using Vistasparks Solutions for Azure DevOps Training are numerous. Thousands of learners and organizations have chosen us because we offer a comprehensive approach to learning. Our expert instructors provide thorough coverage of the entire Azure DevOps lifecycle, including project planning, coding, and security. We also offer industry-recognized certifications that demonstrate our learners' mastery of the subject matter. These certifications are highly valued by employers and can significantly impact an individual's career prospects. Furthermore, our certified professionals bring real-world experience to the classroom, providing learners with practical knowledge and skills that can be applied immediately. As a result, learners who choose Vistasparks Solutions can expect to gain valuable skills and knowledge that will strengthen their professional profiles. DevOps movement has been gaining momentum over the past decade, with many organizations embracing it as a way to improve their software development and IT operations. One of the primary goals of DevOps is to reduce the time spent on testing and validation, allowing developers to focus more on writing code and less on manual testing. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows, DevOps enables teams to deliver high-quality software faster and more efficiently. Another key aspect of DevOps is the emphasis on continuous integration and continuous deployment, CD. This approach ensures that changes are integrated and deployed quickly, reducing the risk of errors and improving overall system reliability. Furthermore, DevOps encourages collaboration among team members, fostering an environment of open communication and transparency. By adopting DevOps principles, organizations can gain a competitive edge in the market, increase customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive business success. Azure Boards provides agile planning tools for teams, including work items, backlogs, sprint planning, Kanban boards, and velocity tracking. This enables teams to plan and track their work efficiently. In addition, Azure Repo offers version control using Git, with features such as branching strategies, pull requests, code reviews, and repository policies. These tools help teams manage their codebase effectively. By using these tools, teams can improve collaboration, reduce errors, and increase productivity. The process of building a pipeline involves several steps, including defining the requirements for the build process, creating a new pipeline, setting up the environment, and configuring the pipeline with the necessary tools and settings. The pipeline can be customized to meet specific needs and requirements. The pipeline can be created using various tools, such as Visual Studio Code, Azure DevOps, or other third-party tools. The pipeline can also be automated using scripts and automation frameworks like Ansible or Puppet. Once the pipeline is set up, it can be run manually or automatically based on certain triggers. Triggers are events that occur when a change is made to the source code, such as a commit or push to a repository. When a trigger occurs, the pipeline runs automatically, executing all the tasks defined in the pipeline. The pipeline can be configured to perform various tasks, such as building and releasing software, deploying to cloud services, and provisioning infrastructure. These tasks can be performed using different tools and technologies, such as Azure DevOps, Azure Resource Manager, or Terraform. In addition to these tasks, the pipeline can also be used to automate continuous integration and delivery, CD processes. This means that the pipeline can automate every step of the development process, from code commit to production deployment, using YAML pipelines and infrastructure as code. Azure Test Plans and Artifacts are designed to help you deliver high-quality software consistently throughout your entire software development lifecycle. By embedding structured testing and artifact management into every stage of your pipeline, you can ensure that your software meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. With Azure Test Plans, you have access to manual, exploratory, as well as automated testing strategies that allow you to create and manage package feeds, control versioning, and maintain comprehensive quality assurance. Additionally, Azure Artifacts enables secure sharing of artifacts across teams, ensuring seamless collaboration and efficient workflow. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline your testing and deployment processes, reducing errors and increasing productivity. This module will delve deeper into the specifics of Azure Test Plans and Artifacts, exploring how they can be integrated into your existing pipeline to drive better outcomes for your organization. The transformation of a software development lifecycle involves several key areas that need to be addressed for optimal results. One area is application and infrastructure monitoring, which enables teams to identify issues early on and address them quickly. This includes tracking performance, uptime, and health metrics using tools like Azure Monitor and Application Insights. Another critical aspect is security best practices, including implementing DevSecOps principles such as secrets management, compliance scanning, and role-based access control. Furthermore, optimizing workflows by implementing multi-stage pipelines, parallel jobs, environment gates, and third-party tool integrations can significantly improve system reliability. By mastering these advanced techniques, individuals can streamline their workflow, enhance their career prospects, and contribute to organizational growth. The training program offered by Vistasparks Solutions provides a comprehensive understanding of DevOps practices and tools. The program includes hands-on experience with various DevOps tools, such as Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. Participants will have access to a wide range of resources, including documentation, tutorials, and online communities. The training covers topics such as continuous integration and delivery, agile methodologies, and cloud computing. Students will also receive guidance on how to implement DevOps principles into their existing workflows.